here I am once again bringing you another 10 out of 10 recipe. This is my Greek-inspired chicken meatball bowl. And guys, this tzatziki recipe, this is the best way I've ever made tzatziki in my entire life. If you're going to take anything out of this recipe, make this tzatziki. Tzatziki. I think that's how you pronounce it. Don't come for me. But if I didn't care about smelling like garlic, I would make it every single day and eat it by the spoonful. Without any size, without any base, without nothing. With no regrets, nonetheless. Wow, this just became a tzatziki talk. Okay, well, enjoy.